Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to meal plan. So we've gone over the basics in the past of what meal planning is and some of the benefits that you're going to get from meal planning, but we often get questions about how the heck do we even get started meal planning? So there are 5 simple steps that you can follow to get started meal planning. So the first place that you want to start when you're making a meal plan is your calendar. So you want to go to your planner or your calendar and review your schedule. You're basically going to go through and see all the things that you have going on in your week so you know how to plan around them. After that, you're going to pick the recipes that you're going to eat during the week. And this is probably going to be dictated by your schedule because if you have a busy week, you probably want recipes that either include more leftovers or are much quicker to make. Next, you're just going to add those recipes to your calendar. In Plan to Eat, this is really simple because you can just drag and drop your recipes onto your meal planning calendar and it's done. The next step is that you're going to make your grocery list. If you're doing this in Plan to Eat, it's super simple because your grocery list is automatically made for you when you plan recipes on your meal planning calendar. If you're doing this by hand, you're simply going to write out all of the ingredients that you need for your planned recipes. And the final step is to just go grocery shopping. You're going to take your organized list with you to the grocery store and buy all of the ingredients that you need for the recipes that you planned in your week. So those are the 5 simple steps of how to get started meal planning. If you would like to try Plan to Eat, you can go to plantoeat.com or download our app for iOS or Android. See you guys next time.